Alright, YouTube, David Harry here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a wireless charger by ESR. So a quick unboxing, a quick close-up look at it, and then I will show you it's working with a Samsung Galaxy S21 smartphone. And just for complete transparency, ESR sent me this wireless charger for free in exchange for an honest review. However, everything that I say or do in this video is all my own words and all my own doing. I do not take influence from anybody else. Anyway, let me get on with this. So the first thing that I'm going to look at here is the box for the ESR wireless charger. Now, if there's anything on the box as I'm turning it around that you would like to see in more detail, just pause the video and then move on at your own leisure. And very importantly, as we can see on the front of the box, this wireless charger has fast wireless charging capability. It also has a dual coil design, and it is also capable of intelligent device recognition. Now, the first thing out of the box is this wireless charger user manual, which is also multilingual. There's also a USB-C to USB-A cable for plugging into a charger. I'm not entirely sure how long this is. It doesn't say in the manual, but it is over 1 meter long. And for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to be using this Samsung adaptive fast charger, which is also USB-A to USB-C compatible. And finally, to the wireless charger itself, and as we can see here, it folds down flat, which is really good for portability and for storage. And then you just open it up like so, and I will show you this in a second. But importantly, the actual part here that your phone rests on feels a little bit rubberized. It's actually like quite grippy as well. It's really good. And then on the back here, we've got a little bit of information. And basically what it's telling us here is that this charger is capable of supplying 5 watts, 7.5 watts, and up to a maximum of 10 watts. Now that is going to be dependent upon the power supply that you use. Now the way we connect all this up is to take the USB-C end of the charging cable and plug it into the USB-C port on the actual wireless charger like so. And then we take the USB-A end of the charging cable and plug that into a compatible power supply like so, and then plug your power supply into a mains outlet. And if you want to be completely mobile or you don't have access to mains power and a power charger, you can also use a USB battery supply like this and just plug the USB-A end of the charging cable into your USB charging battery. And now that I've applied power to the wireless charger, in this instance I am using that Samsung power supply, we can see that there's a blue light at the base of the charger which indicates that power is on. So what I'm going to do now is put my Samsung Galaxy S21 on the charging plate, and what we should notice is it goes into charging mode and a green light comes on to indicate charging. Now I'm also going to try it with a case on to see if this works, and importantly, this is a very difficult case because this is a kickstand case by ESR and it has a bump here where the kickstand comes out, so this doesn't actually rest flat on the back of the charging plate. So with this case on, which will definitely leave a gap between the phone, the case and the charger, let's see what happens. It is indeed strong enough to charge through that case and the gap. And we can also use the wireless charger in this flat position. All we have to do is make sure that we place the phone across the charger, I'll show you in a second, and we place it slightly off center on either side. So slightly off center on this side. As we can see, it's being picked up. Now what I'm going to do is place it off center on the other side, and hopefully it's being picked up for charging again. And now the exact same thing with the case on. So first of all, I will try it off centered on this side. So here we go. And it's picked it up. Now I will pick it up. I will move it off centered on this side. And once again, it has picked that up as well. So there we go then, YouTube, the ESR wireless charger, and in my opinion it is a clear winner. Okay, so if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel and all that funky stuff, and as ever there will be links in the description to all the stuff used in this video. I'm David Harry, thank you very much for watching this video, take care and goodbye now.